PediaSure with Ms Manjari Chandra introduces Grow Right Immuno Right.
We'll make the dry fruit ladoo. Essentially, the ladoo is made of the following things. For making the ladoos, we first add coconut oil and honey into the large mixing bowl that we have taken. To the honey and to the coconut oil, you then add all the other ingredients, which is the nuts, the seeds and the PediaSure, and of course the roasted oats. Vitamin C, vitamin E and other antioxidants that are present in cranberries keep a child robust, keep their immunity high and keep infections at bay. The chef is now mixing all the ingredients together. Once the ingredients are all combined together, we'll roll them into small ladoos. A super yummy and easy treat is now ready for your child, which is not only very tasty and chocolatey, but also nutritionally dense.